I've been reporting directly to the Executive Committee and to the Board's Audit, Risk, Sustainability and Compliance Committee at large organizations since 2005 in a variety of industries, including aviation, consumer products, non-profit, and infrastructure. Currently, I'm serving as Chief Risk Officer at Sasir, the fourth largest global infrastructure developer, a multinational based in Madrid, Spain. So in addition to my P&L strategy and operational background, I have more experience at non-profit organizations and public companies in the risk and insurance sector.
I'm Angela Hoon, SVP of Audit, Risk and Asset Protection at Advanced Auto Parts. I have been in this role for 2 years. Before this, I spent 5 years overseeing the global strategic risk function at General Motors. And prior to that, spent 21 years as a partner at KPMG, focused on risk advisory, including internal audits, enterprise risk, and other advisory areas.
My name is Darlene Halwas. I am Métis and I live in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I am a CFA charter holder and as well I have my FRM certification. I started my career trading and then moved into risk management. I've led risk management functions in Canadian publicly traded companies, as well as serving on boards since the 1990s. Currently, I've serve on the board of Commission for Complaints for Telecom and Television Services in Ottawa, Canada, as well as the board of a water education charity, Alberta Water Portal Society, as well as a nonprofit, Carbon Management Canada.
Been focused on ERM my whole career. Really spent a lot of time looking at risk, integrating risk, and more recently, really spent focused time on how do you really build risk into the business? How do you get risk valued? How do you understand it? And how really does it enable better decisions as part of doing business?
My job as Chief Risk Officer ranges from babysitter, looking after the most valuable assets of an organization, to translating the potential deviations of our strategic plan into actionable early warnings to ensure the right people is involved in a timely manner. I would say my most memorable career highlights are those that are actually set against the backdrop of global crisis, starting my role at Iberia Airlines shortly after September 11th, hitting the ground running in the food industry at Campofrio Food Group, where I oversaw a major acquisition, while the biggest and most important facility suffered a catastrophic fire in late 2014. And now I continue to steer Sasir through the choppy waters of 2008 financial crisis and of a pandemic disrupted world. So I'm privileged to have learned from top-notch experts and assisted executive teams of multinational companies facing some immense challenges, from M&A, launching of new products and services, reinventing the business models, and a wide variety of crises. And I think this is always worth time, effort, and tears. As one of my turning points was actually realizing the power of risk management and resilience as a transformation catalyst. And I soon realized that an integrated governance and risk management framework was central both to inform decision making in the organization and at all levels. Despite I have navigated highly visible regulations, crisis management, investors, and media, I learned very early in my career that probably my biggest challenge would be helping to build the risk-informed decision industry. And my personal motto is that better informed people make better informed decisions.
The biggest challenges I've faced are gaining alignment and support at the board level. Generally on boards, you're going to find a composition of members who may be there for a variety of reasons.